Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to make a fun video clip for Instagram posts or WhatsApp status from Power Director. So let's go ahead. Hit the create a new project. Now for video aspect ratio, click on 1.1. Here you can choose any videos from your phone. I'm going to use another sound for this clip, so I have to mute it. To bring another video clip, hit on layer button and click on video. It's the main clip and I'm going to use its sound. But how? This is the sound layer, so drag the clip to the sound layer to convert it to the music. Now add the clip again, the same clip. Now we are going to magnify the video clip to the full screen. Here I'm going to cut the clip to the smaller part. And it's better for you to choose the best parts of your clip. Now choose the clip and after that click on the cutter. Use the cutter again. Now choose the slice and bring it at the first of the clip. As you see, I cannot move the first clip to the top layer, so I have to choose a background for the top layer. Now I'm going to search for another part of the clip. You can also add a transition effect between two clips. I choose blur effect. Now mute all the video clips because we have original music at the music layer. Now concentrate on this point. This point is apex of the music, and I'm going to bring it between these two clips, right here. So I have to eliminate about 20 seconds from the music, because 33 seconds minus 13 seconds equal to 20 seconds. At the end part, you have to just trim the music and cut the tail. It's done. Just save the music and produce the video. Here, choose the best settings for the better quality of the video, and you can share it to the Instagram or WhatsApp status. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and have a good time.